Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Airflow DAGs in Apache Airflow with production best practices, full guide step by step clearly. To update Airflow DAGs in Apache Airflow, begin by ensuring you have the necessary permissions to modify DAG files. Navigate to your Airflow home directory, typically located at /airflow/dags. Before making any updates, review the current DAG structure and functionality. Create a dedicated branch in your version control system for the changes. Develop your updates in this branch, focusing on improving code readability and performance. Test the changes locally by running the Airflow web server and scheduler. Use the command Airflow DAGs list to confirm that your updates are recognized. Execute a test run of the updated DAG using Airflow DAGs test dag_id execution_date to verify its functionality. Inspect the Airflow logs to troubleshoot any issues that may arise during testing. Once you have validated the modifications, prepare a commit message that clearly outlines what changes were made. Merge the changes into the main branch or your production environment. Prior to deploying the updates to production, ensure that your production Airflow environment is backed up. Deploy the updated DAGs to the production environment, typically using a CI/CD pipeline. After deployment, monitor the Airflow web interface for any errors or unexpected behavior. Maintain clear documentation of all changes made to the DAGs for future reference. Perform regular audits on your DAGs to ensure adherence to best practices and optimize performance. Finally, embrace continuous improvement by engaging with the Airflow community to learn about emerging best practices and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.